Good evening, everyone. It is February 27th, 2017. We're doing another personal box break for Nick K in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2016-17 SPX Hockey. You get 4 cards, 4 packs per box, 1 card per pack. There's a little N. Before I started the video, he picked this box. That way, in case something happens in the chats, that way I kind of know which box he needs, because maybe you never know. He might have to run out and might not get to respond. That's why I kind of do that before I start the video in personals. But let's get it going. First one, Oliver Bjorkstrand, 33 of 399 for Lumbus. And Bowman. Bowman's Lumbus. Yeah, man, because once you get that Connor McDavid, you're up. You're up a ton. Alright, next one. Nice. Ice Shredders. That's Blake Wheeler for the Winnipeg Jets. These are like 1 in every 336 packs, I think it was, or something like that. These Ice Shredders are pretty kind of rare. Kind of rare, I mean. Next one. Impressions autograph. We have David Krejci. That's 187 of 199. I know, right? That Crosby was sick, huh? David Krejci. Alright, one more pack, Nick. Good luck, man. Nice. No ink, but still. Patrick Laine. That is 87 of 235. I can't believe this guy's born in 1998. I know, right? Oops, want to see a sick break? Break the cup. So there you go, Nick. That was your personal box. Got a Laine Relic, Krejci Auto, Ice Shredders, and a Bjorkstrand. So thanks for getting that personal box, Nick. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.